Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine and doing well at your home. I am your English teacher, Ms. Afsa Babar. Today I am going to discuss page number 7 of summer pack of class 7. And today our topic is modal verbs. Can, should, would, may, might. All these are modal verbs. Now move towards page number 7. Choose the best option. First one is dash take a photograph of you. Option 1, am I allowed to? B, may I. The correct option is may I. Second, dash I go to bathroom please. May, must, would. Accurate option is may. Third, dash you help me move this table. Both answers are possible. Choose the more polite request. Could is more polite. So we will circle could. Second, you dash not put your feet on the cafeteria tables. You must not. The test starts at 10:30. You dash be late. Do not have to, be mustn't. Second topic is homonyms. A homophone is a word that sounds like another word but has a different meaning and spelling. They are also called homonyms. Choose the best option. Mom had to hit the dash so we wouldn't run the red light. Now there are two words, break and break. Both sound same but have different spelling. This is called homonyms. So accurate word that will be used in this blank is break. B-R, break of cycle. The doctor said the fracture on my arm was a clean dash, break and break. Here we will use B-R-E-A-K, break. Be a dash and get me a drink please. Be a deer. The dash jumped right into the road in front of us. The deer. The dash from her perfume was strong. Scent, scent, scent. All words are pronounced same but have different spelling. Scent means currency. This scent means perfume smell, fragrance. And scent means to send, bhejna. Accurate word is scent. In this way you can solve further filling the blanks. Now the next topic is affect and effect. Affect is a verb mean to act upon, to change or to cause a change. Affected used for past adjective influenced by an outside force. Effect is a noun. Effect means result, consequence. Now use the correct form of affect and effect in the following sentences. First one, do you know what dash that medicine will have on you? Here we will use effect. And next, how was the team dashed by the loss of their coach? We will use affected. Next, his attitude was dashed by his upbringing. Affected. No matter what he does, it will have no effect on me. What do you think the dash of the decision will be? Effect. In this way you can solve this blanks. Now next topic is its or its. This is short for it is or it has. It's going to be a nice day, or I didn't know whether it's arrived yet. In this example it is used as it has, and in first example it's mean it is. If you can replace the word by it is or it has and the sentence still makes sense, then use its. This is used when something belongs to or is associated with something. The lorry spilled its load onto the road. Or life has its ups and downs. Okay, thank you. Done from my side. Allah Hafiz.